Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make nutritious egg muffins.
You will need a 6-cup muffin tin, 6 eggs, a handful of spinach, a tomato, olive oil or non-stick cooking spray, pre-cooked sausage crumbles, salt, cheese, and milk. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then grease the inside of your muffin tin. Crack your eggs in a glass measuring cup and add some milk. Add a sprinkle of salt to taste. Mix everything together using a fork. And set aside. Chop your spinach on a cutting board. And dice your tomato. Be sure not to use the top and bottom of the tomato. Then fill the inside of your muffin tins with your spinach and tomatoes. Then add your sausage crumbles. Then add your cheese. I like to use Parmesan cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese you would like. Then fill your muffin tins with the eggs. Be sure not to overfill them. Put them in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Be sure to disinfect your area since we used eggs. Remove them from the oven and allow them to cool for 10 to 20 minutes before removing them from the muffin tin. Use a rubber bowl scraper and slide it along the edge of the muffin tin to remove the egg muffin. These are delicious breakfasts and wonderful snacks.
I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe and leave a comment about the DIYs you would like to see. See you next week. Bye!